23T, 327, probably Corvette engine.
Yeah.
4-speed.
Yes.
Do you know, does it have a posi track in it or anything?
No clue what the rest of it's got.
Okay, looks like a Ford 9-inch in there. And your dad bought it 80?
83.
83? So it's an authentic old school hot rod.
Yeah, it is.
Not when you get too many groceries in, though. How obnoxiously loud is it?
Oh, it's fairly loud.
I imagine there's some kind of baffling or something in them side pipes.
Not a whole lot. Started.
But you're thinking in the 8,000, 9,000?
Yeah, 8 to 9, yeah.
Okay. Maybe we'll get it in front of somebody who's interested.
There we go.